The Mad Crunch. The moment. You don't write poetry. You do poetry. That's right. You do. That's life. Your movement is poetry. Your thought is poetry. But that can get stale, so let's get back to movement. Movement, melody, flight. Suddenly you're in flight. Fear. What's that sensation I hear? Let me feel it. Past invading the moment. Overlapping. Over what? I am in slight hesitation. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. I see. I am in the moment. Well, I suppose I do owe you an explanation since you're holding it in your hands. But do I, though? Do I actually owe you an explanation? I don't think I do. The only thing I owe you, though, I think, is my honesty. I don't want you to waste your time going through pages of pretense. I don't want you to look and hope for something interesting while being led across a labyrinth that doesn't have a center. Draw me like one of your French girls. Draw me like one of your French girls. Draw me like one of your French girls. Focus. Put your hands on the pen hitting the paper. Focus on the sensations in your arm. Relax. Look at the context, the word, the paragraph. Manifest the now. I want you to imagine two things. First, imagine a crazy lady walking down the Giggles Prospect on a Sunday afternoon. The sun is shining, and the street is split into two lanes of summer flow. One of a life in the shadow, the other one of life in warm sunlight. People are going about their business with their focus obviously in their heads. The lady, who's probably around 60 years old, is quite above the expected level of energy for the average person of such age. Screaming, angry with, someone did her wrong. She's fucking red from the frustration she's feeling. Yelling her lungs out. Anger embedded in her face, expression stiff like a statue, but alive. Somehow more alive than anything else on the street. Now I want you to imagine goosebumps, like earbuds from 2003 or 2005 or whatever, hanging off your ears, extending down your neck, under your skin. Just beneath, just right there, right next to your veins of blue. Shivers down your spine. Pulsating, sending an invisible touch across the entire area of your upper body. The breath in and out through your nose and mouth feel rich, satiating. Feels good. Feels in the moment. Plume of smoke rises above the table. Conversations. You get your goosebumps from the little conversations gently contrasting with the indistinct and constant static of the strange surroundings. Now we're talking. You and I. And you are genuinely curious. You are reminded of childhood games. And suddenly, you're plugged in. We are plugged in. Record all you like. Record all you like. I mean, what? Yeah, this is supposed to be aesthetic. Yeah, aesthetic. Well, yeah, this is all we've got. Take it easy, relax. That is all I'm asking. Don't be shy now. Beauty. We can create beauty. Well, the truth is, what is the truth? Well. Do justice, Daddy, come on. Do you understand? Understand what? How it works? Well, not really. Maybe just a little bit. Cherry poppin' daddies. Time for reflection. I see them like never before. That distance. I can breathe thanks to that distance. But I also see how we're not as close anymore. They're doing the same things every day. They're stuck and it's their choice. And they love it. They don't understand half the things I tell them. It's all good as long as they don't tell me what to do. I still want to love them. Do I? I do. But the effort seems tedious. The child inside them is smothered by and suffocated beneath layers of robotic repetition. They've found their meaning while running away from themselves. We are in love when we got used to walking in the mist. Should I do it? Good money, but what about my values? It's a matter of life and death. What is? All is. The decision to choose. We are becoming who we are and meant to be, in a sense. I cannot see everything, but I can choose to see as much as possible. I want to. Am I juicing the wrong fruit? I'm juicing the one closest to me. I'm juicing the fruit on the horizon. I'm juicing the unknown fruit. Oh, careful. Don't get poisoned. Pleasure seeker. Hungry for awareness. Hungry, longing for company. Content. Sun. Summer. Here I am, sitting in the sun, content in good company with myself. Hello, Fragmento! Giggles! What is that feeling? That numbness of the senses? Is there? It's not there. It's there. It's not there. Madness! Looking for answers to unknown questions. The world is crazy. I am crazy. Am I? Why? Because I'm talking to myself. And looking at women's breasts bouncing in the sunny street. Geez, got anything better to do? Yeah, work. Creative work. Life, libido. Coffee, stimulus. I like stimulation. My heart hasn't been stimulated properly for a long, long time. I've been smoking weed for quite a long, long time. Oh, my puffy face. Fuck, I'm self-conscious against smiles, compliments. Feeling strange in this unfamiliar space. I need ideas. Okay, cool. Good idea. Keep it going. Acting, gigs, commercials, voiceover, DJ, graphic design, fun with kids, even not. Madman's Handbook. Madman's Handbook. Madman's Outlook. Madman's Handbook. Madman's Outlook. Madman's Handbook. Madman's Outlook. I'm not anxious. That's a whole lot of thinking, don't you think? Oh, terrifying one. Running in the rain, screaming, hiding your face. Beneath a mask of silicon, beneath a mask of leather. Running from yourself. Don't cry. Don't cry. The rain's gonna pass. You'll say, at last. You'll see again, as if for the first time. I fucking hate it when tables are wobbly. It's almost always this way in cafes, by the way. Maybe I'm drinking coffee out too much. Maybe. Who the hell are you to tell me how much is too much? I don't mean to be rude, but come on now. What are you, my puppet master? I'm your puppet? You like regulating? What for? You're putting up a performance of some sort or something? For who? When is the premiere? Oh, can I go see it? Oh, I'll be the main act. Shit, cool. Okay, all right, cool, all right. Let the madness begin as I give in, I guess. Now, I don't know about you, but I got some demons I need to exercise. Feel the drums, boom, boom. Feel the sound of brass. This is not your ordinary boom, boom. Here we party in style. I thought of getting a girl, but I'm very shy, despite my immense extravaganza. So most of the time, I just fantasize about Amelie from Montmartre. So, anyways, most of the time I fantasize about Amelie with a croissant, or a beauty like Fay Ray from the crazy 1930s. Hopeless romantics. We fantasize all day long, and we will till the day we die. So may the fantasy reign into reality, baby. Now let me tell you a little story about my love life, my mysterious muse. She sways behind curtains of dark blue. She's got many names. Actually, she doesn't. She doesn't need names to be who she is. She has fans. Loads of them. They give her names, write poetry, and pass on legends about her. Anyway, I'm one of those fans. He told me his name and suggested that I can send him a friend request on Facebook. But by the time I ordered my Americano, 3 minutes after that, I forgot both his first and last name. Am I a bad person? No. Should I care if No. Should I care? If it faded from my mind like that, I don't suppose I should. The Americano is good, though. I forget what time it is, but I think I should head home. I arrived with my car to the city today, so that's nice. Enjoy your coffee, Patrick. I don't trust people for the most part, because they're full of shit. I don't think they even know what they're talking about most of the time. They're like hamsters running in their own loops, not even being aware that they are. They do that for years, blind to their own mistakes that reappear in their lives time and time again. And despite this sheer stupidity, they look you in the eyes and give you advice. They try to guide you. They got used to finding how something in the external is at fault and pick at it with this hidden sense of passive excitement. That's how they heal the world. That's how they stay blind and colorfully dumb. That's how they stay part of a cohesive and sane society. A boring cube with painted sides. Wow, it's so unique. Imagine millions of cubes falling into place, into one big concrete rainbow field. Something more like a scattered, pixelated rainbow. Flat, evened out with the ground. Ready for the winter snow to come and cover the fading excitement. But before winter comes, all the little cubes will be so sick of themselves and their color that they won't care anymore if they're recognized, accepted, and loved. They'll be quite happy if the man will get it over with and mix it all into gray. Maybe I brought it on to myself. This loneliness, stuck somewhere in between endless amounts of beauty. Longing, I sit, waiting for something that is always an inch away from me. I don't do inches, I'm from Europe, but I feel like an alien. I speak my foreign language, deepening my senses, distancing myself from these surroundings. The wheel spins, spins, spins. I'm a slave to the river. I sit, waiting, expecting, like a fool, creating under the guise of an artist. an artist hungry for beauty. That is not a guise. That is my truth, which I don't yet know if it is a blessing or a curse. But of course, it is both. Create, suffocate, create, suffocate, create, suffocate, create, cry, fail to cry, suffocate, create, cry, suffocate, create, manifest, overthink, suffocate, manifest, create, suffocate, create, wait, suffocate, talk, cry, fail to talk, explain, suffocate, believe, crow, suffocate, create, suffocate, breathe in the air, breathe in the air. Don't be afraid to care. Leave, but don't leave me. Look around, choose your own ground. Long you live and high you fly, but only if you ride the tide. Balanced on the biggest wave, you race towards an early grave. You have a powerful voice. You have a unique voice. People need to hear your message through your voice. Trust your voice. It is okay to make yourself heard. You are you. You are one of a kind. Trust your voice. Trust yourself. Trust your way. Trust your emotions. Let your emotions be. Flow. Let them flow. Accept their power. Be with them. They are here for you to experience. Grow. Trust. Be yourself. That is all that you can do. Be patient. Be light. Breathe. Believe in yourself. You have power. You are the river. You know the way. I want to fall asleep until you stop speaking. Cup my chest. Cup my heart. Curse me out of here. Still, bleeding, I cannot seem to cry. Ripples flow heavy from black to black. My Obsidian. I find you here, drowning in my sea of tears. Muted laughter. I break you. Open. Still you speak, putting me to sleep. Slowly, I'm forgetting how to breathe. Blue sky, gray clouds, sleepy mind, closed mouth. My mind says no when I speak honestly about my soul. Why, though? Because it's tender. Because I sound like it says so, a poet. I write fucking poetry. With every tender bit I write, an alarm goes off inside by my heart. Oh no, don't say that. What if the tough guys will hear you? Here I am, back again. 1869? Yeah, somewhere else. I feel some pain, fatigue in my thighs, and I like it. I know why it's there, more or less. I've been on my feet, in the flow. It's in these moments that I lose myself. It is in these moments that I forget to think and am myself. Some kind of paradox in a way. This is when I live and am in the now. Conceptions of past and future cease to exist, together with the rest of thought. This is when I realize that they are, indeed, nothing more than mere conceptions. Run, run, run! The world is gonna fly past you. Make sure you don't miss it. And even if excitement overflows, don't grasp it. Don't even write about it. Speak it. Be it. Don't push it. Come like the rain. Release. Dissolve the heat into a new day. Begin again. Always begin again. Come like the rain, come like the rain, dissolve the heat into a new day. You either work or drown in sugar. Heavy cream. I leave a tip of €10 if the service is very good. Never tip your waiter in Japan. It's impolite. The void activated by thought purified by universal energy equals manifestation. Mind creates reality. Do you see it? The animated society. Automated society. Can you smell the sickness throbbing beneath the veil of normality? Is it you that influences the world, or is it the program that runs your mind, your body, your thoughts, your decisions? How much is there of you in this world? Where are you? At home? There? Behind the window of that second floor? In the cubicle? On the street? In the car? On the roof with a hammer? Sitting, thinking, walking, scrolling, working? Are you working? Why? You know why. That's not what I'm asking. Why? Who are you? You don't remember? You don't remember. Are you in an unfortunate dream? In a state of lifelong amnesia? How do we wake up, man? Faces. I like faces. Yeah. What do faces tell you? I don't know. Look and find out. Inspect and find out. Expressions. Instill and distill. The beauty, the impurities, the wonder of the mind within, the craziness behind the mask? Or is the mask crazy? Do you embody the thought? Or is the flesh a sponge tingling in the heat? Make money or make art? That is the question. I hate drawing buildings. Empty buildings, shallow, hollow walls. Here we are. Hey! You're buzzing. You're buzzing, I know. It's not like I'm not choosing you. I am. I mean, it might not seem like it since I'm choosing a different place. But you left it yourself. You wanted to breathe. Well, okay, you paid a visit. You came flying from the outside. I feel like I'm getting lost in my thoughts, contradicting, trying to understand the mystical holding this reality together. There is fear on both sides. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Different types of fear. I feel like in order to embrace you, embrace the truth, I have to move into fear, live in it. And when you showed up in the midst of this place that I wanted to be right, that was right in some way, I felt that I must follow you. that I have to be here, choose this, walk down this path, regardless of anything. Now I'm choosing something else. How can it be? Am I falling back into comfort? Sweetheart, let me know, because I don't think so. I want to live. I want to experience light, breath, abundance, to fly free, eventually, even from all that abundance. Just like you already have flown away. I am sure we will see each other again, amidst the streams of which there are many. We are the same, after all, you and I. Let us rise to the vast sky. I think it's time. Apart but synchronized, we fly. We are alive. I mean, I remember I didn't believe in the concept that we're living in a simulation, but what does it mean, really? It's a program running a system, right? As I became more focused on manifesting what I want and doing the things that I enjoy that seem important to me, meditating, paying attention, being aware of my beliefs, triggers, food that I eat, my needs and all that, moving forward, extending myself into the external, I really noticed how the world stayed the same in a certain sense. How people, certain people, or majority of people, are just animated. Something else is operating them. And it's as if they are possessed. Whatever real human element there is, it's struggling inside, suffocating, confused, lost, lonely, sick, dead, abused, tricked, blinded by the millions of layers of repetition. The simulation is an onion, and it's real. Give us the money, bitch! You go, I'm gonna have a little fun. It doesn't penetrate. It doesn't penetrate. No, it doesn't have to penetrate. What I feel, what do I feel? That's it. That's real. That's the real deal. The fluctuation inside, that's where I decide to reside. With focus, attention, and care. Is there for me, and I'm here for you. Oh, welcome. Echo the words of excitement seconds after I hugged my crying mother in the hallway and went up the staircase. We have guests today. And I hear my dad welcome them inside the yard. He always knew how to put up a fake-ass mask and entertain our relatives. Didn't really even matter how his wife felt or me. Well, it actually did matter to him. A lot. But he somehow found a way to hide it all. Some good reason why it was most important to not expose the turmoil inside. It was a sunny August evening, and despite my tears being on the brink of flooding out, I still couldn't do it. I feel my head getting more and more dense. Painful distances between me and my loved ones. Sunny days, oh, August giving sunny days. While I, dead inside, walk blind. And I don't understand why these demons haunt me. Choose me as your puppet, fine, but at least let me cry. Let those tears go. Squeeze them from inside and cure my numbness. Wake this walking dead. Intense sadness overwhelms me when I see the hopeful smile on your face. your good intentions, and when inside I'm just not interested. I can sit down any way I like and be any way I like. Pick up my notebook and pen and write about anything I like. There is that threshold that eventually you have to cross, the line which separates the awake and all that is asleep. Life calls you to breathe with it, to grip and let go every second, to hear the skies, talk to the trees, and to you sitting underneath. Dare to see, dare to feel, dare to be as one. This is the world that I see, and it's beautiful. Someone wants to disturb me. It tries. Someone from the outside. But now I can't help but notice that there is no difference. I try to find the words. I try to find a way to explain what it really is that I'm feeling sitting here, looking, hearing children screaming, birds overseeing the old sunlit streets of Vilnius. Meanwhile, at the exact same time, I'm breathing. I'm breathing. I'm breathing. I'm breathing. If I just retain this stream of life flowing inside me, I get to be. I can show you what I see. The depth of who we are. The balance that we made a reality. This magic is in you and I. All you have to do is look inside, sitting here, as you look outside. Who are you trying to fool? All those people listening to that bullshit music, they have no clue. Who am I trying to fool? My soul will never rest, I feel, until I sing. Until I let it sing. And I will. My song, my heart, my dream. 1, 2, 3, I'm writing. There's so much I wish to tell you, but my hand just struggles to begin. I don't know where to begin. I see the world like never before. That is something that has truly changed in the past, well, I'm not sure, 6 months, a year, a month? It's a continuous process, at the current end of which I feel as aware as ever. I don't remember being so aware of my body, my senses, the world around me, the people and what is going on inside them even. I also see the many instances of automation, whether it's me or other people. Despite all this wondrous set of experiences, well, I can't do this life thing without a dark side. Anxiety, restlessness, this merciless stream of thoughts that still visits me nearly every day. It's there as well. I welcome it, really. I see that there is so much to learn there, from it. And I know that one of the things this looming darkness is trying to tell me is that I have to attend to something. I must accept growth, accept it through my own conscious action. I have expanded. Now I'm infused with the desire to expand more. If I go against this growth, which sometimes feels both so desired, so needed, yet also strangely involuntary, forced against my will, I will suffocate, because that would be the same as denying the core of who I am. That would be the real death against my will. And now I know that I have a choice. It's in my hands. In this moment. Driven, guided by this magic, I live. The sky is absolutely blue. It's like it's waiting, hanging there while the kids are playing. Planting trees, they don't care. Joy embodied. They wash their hands in the spiral. They stomp over the past, burnt on the ground, crumbling, crumbling. The gentle crust resounding. I hear again the passing of time unwinding. The wheel keeps on spinning. Yes, no, I don't think so. Cinnamon roll, oh, oh, oh. Aurora in my belly, aurora in my mind. €3 from my pocket, I don't mind, I feel alright. Crumbs around my lips, looking at women's tits. What a trip, cinnamon roll, oh, oh, oh. Open wide, flicks of orange brown, coming for another round. Coffee, yes. Milk, yes. Drink it, drain it down. I sit back, relax on streets of cobblestone. Oh no, here we go. Again, more cinnamon rolls. Being in the moment is actually similar to committing suicide. Time passes faster. You focus on your life, body, breath, sight, touch, sound, smell. All that amplified and gone the moment after. Focus, focus, focus. You get so close that you almost explode. But you don't. You come back. Tired. You cling hard because it's beautiful. Everything means something, but you slip. You can't hang on for long. And then it's gone, leaving you alone, questioning, wondering. Really? No, please don't go. It's not fair. Like a whore, a lonely, thirsty whore. That time at 3 a.m., I scored 3 cigarettes. They left me feeling good. They left me feeling empty. Wake up! Shake the THC from your muscles, from your bloodstream. Water, fresh. Ah, good. Watch out! Got nearly killed, run over by this moron while walking down the street. Absorb. Once, twice, many times, ruled by fear. You told me what is right, what to do. Now, the tables have turned. I'm coming for you. Sniff my fingers. Smell the stench. Feel what's been driving you, goody two-shoes. Trip over your own words. Where is the truth? Sit, idle, hidden in the shadow. Rule the world from your tower, built on shallow waters. Oh, shallow waters. Where's the fire, honey? The wind is coming, igniting your fucking suit, your fucking shiny collar. Cool, quiet. Look me in the eyes, angry little boy, looking for control. Got nothing to do? Filling up these spaces. Got nothing to say. Were you ever allowed to say what was in your heart? Were you ever understood? Proud, alone, so cold. Push it up that hill, Steve. Push the rock in this foreign land. Smile for the pretty people. Isolate yourself and curse the world. Who you are, who you've been, let it go, let it spin. In your brain, rotten apples in your brain. Eat, drink, piss, shit. Pretend you are the king of this world that's slipping from your grip while you're busy talking shit. Bend over, bite the dirt, dig it. Come on, don't stop. Search for the bone and lose the control now. Wreck it till you find it. Lonely roads filled with fire, burning, fuming, flaring up, flaring down, running, rushing away to you. Sweetheart, what is driving you, my dear? Where do you get that appetite? I see the fire in your eyes. Hungry, hungry, ready to strike and take it all. Not take, just bite. Penetrate deep inside. I want to make you feel how long it's been. How long? Too long. That alone is good enough reason. Sleep while I eat you alive. Breathe, breathe, while you still can, sweetheart. Can you be conscious in hell? I'm not in hell, I'm in heaven. I'm on planet Earth. I'm on planet Earth, listening to the sound of my own voice. Echoes back and forth. The only thing. Ping pong, I'm numb. Reaching for another one. Whisper. It might feel overwhelming at first, until you make the choice. Then you get to flow down the drain, the river, the rocky road, the sunlit pavement, or up the sky. Fly high, fly, fly, up the atmosphere, the cosmos. I suppose all is rock and roll. You just gotta know what is the right choice. Know it in your bones, man, and then let it go. Crunch. Don't forget to crunch. The Mad Crunch.